Y'all know what today is. I didn't even do no type of, oh, I'm gonna say this, I'm gonna do that. This straight off the top, no pen, no pad. Something like Lil Wayne. You feel me? Let's get straight into it though. Earnest, we are getting back into earnest seasons. I know every time earnest season starts, big company or big banks report first. Also, I do know Tesla reports in on the 22nd. Hold on, 22nd is in like, yeah, it's a Wednesday. If I'm not mistaken, Tesla does report. So we're getting back into earnest season. Boom. Monday, Goldman Sachs. That's the only name I know. I'm just naming off the names that I know. If you see names that you know, cool. Goldman Sachs. Boom. Monday, Tuesday, JP and Morgan. JP Morgan. Y'all know JP Morgan, a very big bank. BlackRock, Citi, CarMax, Johnson and Johnson, Wells Fargo. Wednesday, ASML. That's like a big company with tech. Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, Progressive, M&T Bank, PNC, JB Hunt. Thursday. Oh my. TSMC. TSM reports. Charles Schwab reports. BNY looks familiar. I don't know why, but BNY looks very familiar. Netflix reports. And then Friday, Regions, Truist, and yeah, State Street. State Street looks like a very older bank. Okay, news for this week. We don't have a lot of crazy news for this week. Probably the biggest name on here is PPI. And the news that's not on here is Trump's dropping a tweet. Straight like that. Okay, spot right. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in off the weekly. Spot off the weekly after almost correcting itself, after almost going down maybe 10%. I was looking to buy. The spot went down 10%. No way, spot went down 10%. Am I tweaking? It's a lie. No, that's a lie, right? Was my levels not right? What's going on? No way, this is accurate, right? Let's see. Let's see. This is to all time highs. 10%. I went down 10%. My levels wasn't right. Wow. What's this? 11? What? My levels wasn't right. Wow. I blame that on me. I blame that on me. I don't blame that on nobody else. Even if I did look at the chat, like Honey Drip, even if I did look at them, I knew to get in on my behalf. Wow. I really should have got in on QQQM. I was thinking about getting like shares on my long-term account on QQQM, and I didn't. Even like $50 would have helped. Like better than anything beats a zero. Anything beats a zero, right? So me not even that kind of sting a little. I ain't even gonna lie. Like actually seeing this now, that kind of sting a bit. I ain't even gonna lie. But two good candles after SPY corrected itself. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna say I can't get over that. The opportunity will present itself again. But it's like I just seen this. I just seen this opportunity right here. Like I seen this right here, but I didn't necessarily knew or know what I was doing. And I was learning. I'm like, I'm learning every day. Even if I'm 15, 20 years in, you still gonna learn. Not even gonna lie. Like, come on now. But I ain't gonna lie, I just ain't see that. I thought I almost wanted to just delete it. But anyway, SPY goes up to what's this wick? SPY goes up to 681. Doesn't push past 681. Oh, I went to the 4 hour off the daily. I want to see SPY retest 623 673 and possibly reclaim 684, which is this dark and blue line 684. And I believe that would be like a I believe this it'll be an uptrend. It'd be the uptrend. Like, something like this. And yeah, that's what I see on SPY. I'm looking at this now. I'm sorry, I gotta do this again. I must do this again because there's no way I didn't mark this out. I didn't do this right. I didn't do this right at all. That's 10. That's almost 11%. I didn't get filled on nothing. No. Did I get shares? I think I did get shares on the company. I know I got shares on SoFi for sure, but that's SoFi. But I didn't get any contracts or anything. What the? And I knew the buy. That's the crazy part. I even tweeted it like when um when Walter Bloomberg tweeted QQQ was down 10%. I don't know why I didn't buy. That's odd. I gotta keep going, bro. I gotta keep going. I'm telling myself that like yo, like I gotta keep going. I mean, I'm not stopping with this. No time, never. Like, yeah. And this goes past 10%. This had to go at least 15. Let's see. Let's see the all-time highs. Reference. Almost 15%. Almost 15%. This went down 14 plus percent downwards. And it's gonna go up. Let's see. Let's see where it could go up to. Boom. It went down there. Boom. We're definitely going to 730. I'm gonna say seven. No, I ain't gonna say 740. I'm gonna say 735. No, 730. I'm gonna just say 730. 730. This is going to 730. Wow, QQQ at 730 is crazy. I believe they'll do a stock split, right? Have they ever did a stock split? Never ever did a stock split. Never did a stock split. But let's talk about it on the intraday slash the week where I see it going like on the week for a swing or whatnot. The level I want it to retest because I did go back and look at like my terminology because I wanted to make sure that I was saying my terminology right. A bounce, a retest, and a bounce, a retest, and a pullback is three different things, even though they kind of work in the same way, but they have very slight differences. Anyway, retest of 605, reclaim 616, another another break and retest type, break and retest type. That's what I want to see. Something similar to that. If it presents that, it presents that. Also, not to even get off this, but this big old green box, I almost want to make it gray. Because it's empty. It's an empty space. This gap should get filled. Not saying every, because I read in a book by Frederick McCollum, trading technical analysis, right? Not every gap has to get filled, but this gap right here, I believe is gonna get tapped into at least. So we'll see when that comes. Maybe sooner than later. Also, the same thing on Qs, this big old gap, and sooner or later it should get tapped into. If it don't, and price just keep rolling, price we just gonna keep rolling. Yeah. UPS, right? UPS double bottom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, let me go to no. Boom, 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 boom. Double bottom, and it's above the 21. Rejected the 200 off the daily, and just a retest of 99. Retest of 99. I want to see it hold 99. If I see it hold 99, I probably go long and like not leaps but swings for sure on this. I definitely will buy shares of UPS. And yeah, I remember we was talking about UPS like back here, like somewhere around here. UPS went up. Yeah. UPS 99 retest. What did I say? That's it. That's it. I like the chart. I like the chart. I feel like the chart is flipping. It's turning bullish. So let's see this go up. Just have to hold this level. What I see. So yeah. VIX. I'm gonna talk about the VIX right fast. VIX is at 19. VIX did a whole 360. Whole 180. For the people that's technical. But they did a whole 360. They Wow. Wow. Very. I ain't gonna say interesting, but it's like wow. Like I didn't get feel, bro. What? Crazy. CVX, right? A company that everybody been talking about. They've been buying this at the top, of the top. And I'm looking for a bounce. I'm looking for this. I'm looking for the next daily candle to go above 189. 189 reclaim, bounce off this 186 level. And we would just have to see. CVX has been up for a minute. Energy stock. I mean, they oil, gas. I'm pretty sure they produce a lot of other stuff as well. Uh, let's see. Oil and gas solutions. Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, see, Chevron makes a lot of stuff. Like, come on now. But anyway, like I said, 189, 189 reclaim really like 194. 194 would be nice, but I definitely want to see that 189 hold or it can retest. But I want to see the next daily candle reclaim 189. Once it reclaim 189, I think it'd be. I make it look. I may get look to feel. I may get filled on this. That's what I'm trying to say. I may get filled on this. And yeah. On to the next. Roku. Everybody owns a Roku. You think I'm lying? I'm not. I am. Weekly. I seen this out the weekly. Double bottom. Neckline. I need 104 to break. It rejected off 184 last week. But this don't look bad. This don't look bad. This does not look bad. It's above all the EMAs. It's above all the EMAs. It retested 98. So I'm looking for this to go. I'm looking for this to go. I may this look good. This look good. Let me go ahead and this look very, very, very good. RSI, let me pull up RSI. RSI even had a double bottom as well. Yeah. This don't look bad at all. A lot of people don't even trade Roku no more. But hey, if the charts, this is the money. The chart is the money, and this is money. It's screaming money. I'm looking at the daily candle, and I'm looking at what happened on last Friday. Well, I'm looking at this red candle. I'm looking at this. And I'm looking at what happened last Friday. So I just brought this up. It opened. It opened right here. Seven shot it down on Friday, and it got brought back up Friday. So yeah, I definitely want to see this. I want to see this go for sure. I want to see this go. I'm falling in love with the hourly chart. Not even gonna lie. I mean, it's been on there forever, but I'm actually falling in love with the hourly. Like I actually love the hour. You can like see like what is it? Those six candles. You can see like those six candles. Like it's amazing. Anyway, last bonus. Matter of fact, PayPal. I got filled on PayPal and lost. I lost like 108 in a day. Nothing crazy. I lost like $108. And not even just off this. I got filled on spot or cues. I have to go and go and journal all this right now. I'm gonna do that right after this, literally. So boom. Yeah, I see that pink line, I'm deleting it. I need a daily break. Once I can get a daily break, then I can go long. It should. I'm gonna say for a week. I need a daily break. I need a daily break. Not even gonna lie. Once I get that daily break, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. And yeah, that's the level. That's what I'm watching for this week. And yeah, at the end of the week, I will possibly. I know on Friday I should. I should. I need to. I will get up and record off the laptop. By the way. So yeah. That'll be very interesting. I'll be in a new city, new state, and not even not I'm not moving or nothing. But yeah, I'll be back here real soon in a jiffy, straight like that.